Ay, maliit lang yung room. Tapos, ito yung toilet. Uy, may bata. Malinis. Hello! May towels. Kumuha na kami kanina ng mga toiletries, pero may shapo-shapo din siya. May TV. Ay, shucks. Ang bata ba? Tsaka may CCTV. May office. Sabi, mini ref sila. Yan, so magsistay tayo dito ng 2 nights. So, today, tomorrow until Tuesday. Yes! Maganda yung toilet nila, guys. Dahil, ayan. Ito yung mga mapapasana all ka na lang pag nasa Pinas ka. Yan. Maliit lang yung room. Pero carry na, mami. Dahil, mura lang naman to. Ayan. Meron na din parang toiletries dito. Kasi yung tubig nila, good to drink. Fairness, ah. Fairness talaga dito sa Japan. Ayan, may saksakan, ganyan. Tapos yun nga, alam ko heated din kadalasan yung toilet, yung bowl. Toilet seat pala.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling the night.